into deep depression by tonight, northeast on high alert. Mizoram governor felicitates toppers of class 10 and 12 exams, provides cash incentives and citations. Manipur board declares class 10 results, registers 93.03 total pass percentage. And in sports, Deepa Karmakar becomes first ever Indian gymnast to win gold medal at Asian Championships. That brings us to the end of this evening's bulletin. Thank you for tuning in. Namaskar.
Good evening, viewers, and welcome to the news. First, the headlines. President Draupadi Murmu says spiritual empowerment is real empowerment. Severe cyclonic storm Remal wakens into cyclonic storm. Government held emergent meeting to discuss preparation for Remal cyclone. India's traditional knowledge, thoughts, health and cultural vitality have always received global attention, says the Vice President. And India defeats Argentina 5-4 in their fourth match of European leg of FIH Hockey Pro League in Belgium. The news in detail. President Draupadi Murmu has emphasized the need of inculcating spiritual values, saying that spiritual empowerment is the real empowerment. The President said that spiritual value binds the people of all religion together. Murmu was addressing the gathering at national launch of Spiritual Empowerment for a Clean and Healthy Society organized at Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi by Brahma Kumaris.
ब्रह्मा कुमारी संस्थान आध्यात्मिक बंधुता के विस्तृत और सुदृढ़ आधार पर खड़ा है, जो पंथ और धर्म की परिभाषाओं से सीमित नहीं होता है। इस संस्थान द्वारा अक्टूबर 2023 में राष्ट्रपति भवन में इंटरफेथ मीट का आयोजन किया गया था। उस आयोजन का उद्देश्य था प्रेम, कल्याण, शांति, पवित्रता, सत्य और अहिंसा जैसे उन आध्यात्मिक मूल्यों पर प्रकाश डालना जो सभी धर्मों में विद्यमान है। वसुधैव कुटुंबकम की भावना के अनुरूप
Severe cyclonic storm Remal made landfall on Bangladesh's coast with strong wind and heavy rainfall. The cyclone made landfall on the Sagar Island, West Bengal, Khepupara, Bangladesh, Sundarban coast at midnight of Sunday and expected the crossing to complete by 6 a.m. According to the Bangladesh Meteorological Department, the coastal areas are experiencing heavy rainfall due to the influence of the cyclonic storm Remal. Bangladesh has evacuated more than 800,000 people from the coastal areas.
लोकल ट्रांसपोर्ट से लेकर ट्रेनों और उड़ानों पर भी बुरा असर हुआ है। इसके बीच केंद्र सरकार ने तूफान से निपटने के लिए पहले ही सभी जरूरी इंतजाम।
Meghalaya government today held an emergent meeting to discuss the preparations for the severe Remal cyclone which is moving towards northeast. Speaking to media persons, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong said that the Deputy Commissioners have been directed to take every action to prepare the administration while dealing with the severe cyclone. He said that vulnerable areas have been identified and direction have been issued to power, fire and Emergency Service, PWD, and Forest Department to be on alert and attend to any emergencies. Following the weather report, the Deputy Commissioner of East and West Khasi Hills District have issued a notification to all the schools of the district to remain closed tomorrow.
In the state, we are fully prepared. Yes, maybe few districts will be vulnerable, but that also we have instructed to all the district administration, all of them equally, not only to one district or two districts as I said to you, but all districts. We have instructed all the deputy commissioners to be more vigilant and also to be in the active mode fully. So now, of course, few stretches we have identified those vulnerable flooded area, and maybe when the monsoon is ended, from the PUD side, jointly with the Urban Affairs Department as well as with the Shillong Municipal Board, we will take appropriate action.
Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar said that India's traditional knowledge, thoughts, health and cultural vitality have always received global attention. He was speaking at the National Institute of Traditional Medicine in Balgavi today in Karnataka. He laid emphasis on research in traditional medicine practices.
While serving the humanity at large. But medical profession and those engaged in healthcare, health management, they are taken to be closest to God, closest to godliness. You therefore cannot be mercenaries. Fiscal considerations have to take back stage. Service has to be your primary motto. And those engaged...
An accused named Purli Suting from Tasor Birksur
taken to be
connection with a murder case at
closest to godliness. You therefore cannot be mercenaries.
Of mental disorder and was sent for medical examination, later referred to the Mimhans, Shillong. But unfortunately, he was declared dead on arrival. Postmortem was conducted under videography by the magistrate from the DC, East Khasi Hills and district in the presence of medical officer of civil. In this connection, an unnatural death has been registered and is being investigated. With a concern for the safety of bikers and also the public at large, the Police Department of Ribhoi District conducted a random checking on National Highway 6 and several neighbouring areas to check bikers who are performing stunts on the highway. In this exercise, a group of bikers was arrested and later released with a stern warning.
Hiamut panler sing hakanor kom. Ha? Hiayo permission now DC, now SP ba PLA racing haneka National Highway jongga National 6. Hiayo permission. Hello ni yang permission now DC, now SP jongga Ribhoi. Ba PLA racing mentakasni hanepo National 6 po Ribhoi jongi. Umdai pile mentasi ngatrai ka komplain ka apoi chaduk ki bahe siskor ki bahe namar ki bahe sapha ini ban le duty ban kem ya kino kido ba pen kheng an ka figrol kamtam bale racing claim ka permission now DC with SP bale snat banja kamta accident snat phim snap em tem snap te sel bha oi pi what you let kum gane kam sel bha haba pi long gi brim tuk tuk play to long gi basu tho wilong ba perkat jengai ban pikir paniada nya ka bet bat ngam simi pi.
In a bid to maintain peace and harmony in Erpakon village following the alleged murder of Kirmen Lingdo Nonglat by a worker from RN Sharma Hotel, the Office of Deputy Commissioner Ribhoy organized a peace meeting, inviting all involved parties. However, the Dorbar Shnong of Erpakon village declined to attend the peace meeting, standing firm on the decision to evict all non-locals and prohibit them from working or conducting business within the village.
Si pararo denam de hakasnong hi paro denam de takadaw nyingnut ban ong nyin sim kastit ban na phi ba badai ban le ru kadar barisong ngiklai ban la
cái bang akwa ban penpau pleng jong phi along ka ba sosi ya ka wei ka jingkhot na ka te ka additional deputy commissioner Ribhoy district ya ka meeting ya ka bala dep ban khot ingi kum kinong sumstang bat ran ba snang ba kisunjuk jong ka ran ba snang na bang ilej hantai ban aten ya kata meeting larung hapo a conference halls kira sim statement ya ki ran ba snang bat ka sunjuk ki ran ba snang haba ki ran ba snang ki answer kim respond ya ka ai ka ba ki ran ba snang bat ka sunjuk jom ki ran ba snang ki ai ki ya paseo penban paramaki bat kim sem la pedian ya ka ai ka ba ka rai jom ka dor ba snang pulun ka da ban submit siki.
In a unique way of creating employment, R. Sangma started a home-based business of making wooden carts to aid transport of goods and also for the merry ride of children. This handmade wooden cart is gaining popularity as it made a public transport and even found a market outside the state. Rodin started this business in 1989 and each cart cost 700 rupees.
Kakali ngam sem labu ka jingkeng bang sna nga su sna we itu chisnam trai ngala banyak adu saupo ona sanpo tili snam ba yakine kakali bang sna kapoi keleng ka Jela Meghalaya bat sabar ka jela ru lapoi sadu kumba iperlok juga kira sapo dihar.
As part of their ongoing awareness program on menstrual cycle, hygiene and dispelling taboo beliefs, the NGO JCI Kamrup Elite visited Shillong Balika Meghalaya Secondary School today. This initiative under the theme Let's Make a Difference aimed to educate and empower young girls. A team of doctors and health professionals from JCI Kamrup Elite conducted informative session for the students. While speaking, Dr. Mobika said that many awareness programs have been conducted, but menstruation is the first time, as it's still a taboo in the society.
Organized a program by the JCI Kamrup Elite NGO. It was regarding the menstrual cycles. We came here to for the awareness of the menstruation, which is a very normal process, which is still a taboo in the society. So it was a good interactive session. I hope everyone understood. And I just wanted to add one line. Sahi masik intizam ho, sahi sahi sab kaam ho, padhna likhna aage badhna, kabhi na rukna ठान लो. This is for all the girls out there.
Riding on Harmanpreet Singh hat-trick goals, India defeated Argentina 5-4 in their fourth match of the European leg of FIH Hockey Pro League in Belgium. For India, Arijit Singh Handal in 7th minute, Gurjan Singh in 18th minute and Harmanpreet Singh in 29th, 50th and 52nd minute were on target. While on Argentina, Federico Monja in 3rd minute, Nicolas Keenan in 24th minute, Thario Marucci in 54th and Lucas Martinez in 57 minutes scored goals. India will next take on Germany on 1st of June. And now let us take a look at the weather report. Maximum temperature recorded was 21.5 degrees Celsius, while minimum temperature recorded was 20 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 96%, while in the evening was 98%. Rainfall 12.2 millimeters. Forecast: moderate rain and thunder shower is likely to occur at most places. Before we end, a quick recap with the headlines. President Draupadi Murmu says spiritual empowerment is real empowerment. Severe cyclonic storm Remal weakens into cyclonic storm. Government held emergent meeting to discuss preparation for Remal cyclone. India's traditional knowledge, thoughts, health and cultural vitality have always received global attention, says Vice President. And India defeats Argentina 5-4 in their fourth match of European leg of FIH Hockey Pro League held at Belgium. With this, we have come to the end. Until we meet again tomorrow, same time, same channel. Goodbye.